Hey y'all, how y'all doing? It's Kevin from Pickin in the Hood too. Damn, I need to shave. Hey, I'm down in this cave, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all see where I'm at. It's a cave in Quincy, Illinois. Yeah, they keep there's warehouses down there and everything. They'll go to dock doors. Hold on a minute. See that cave inside that warehouse right there? See? That's where all the stuff going inside of there. Yeah, let me go out and close these doors, y'all. I'll be back. We're gonna drive through this cave. Yeah, I don't know if I'm supposed to be recording. That's why I'm whispering. But hold on a minute. It's all wet down here. All wet and nasty. But you can see they built walls down there in between the cave walls. That's another dock. I'm at dock 6. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna start talking loud now. Look at the ceiling. They chipped all this out. It's pretty big down here. This is only my second time coming in here. But it's kind of scary. I think they used to dig for lime in here or some crap. But it's a whole warehouse up underground. 2 or 3 warehouses. And I'm looking to see if they got cameras because I don't want them seeing me recording. They're still digging it out. Say once in a while, I see one of those earth movers go through this, that part over there. See that door at? It's like a road over there. So once in a while, I see an earth mover moving through there. But that's where I'm at today, y'all. In the cave, but I was gonna do my what sales down here, but ain't no damn signal. So I can't get to my eBay store to look see what's sold. But, hey y'all, I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna record on the way out so you can see some more footage. But for now, that's all you're gonna see. All right, y'all, I'll get back with you. Okay, I'm back. I got stuff that when I go to the thrift store, I separate the stuff. I put stuff in that if I buy something, that's the last thing that I list. I got to list the stuff that's in front of that. So I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about, but so I got excited when I got those comic books. So I listed some of them first when I should have went back to my old way of listing the stuff that I bought last week and the day after that, the day after that. Instead, I listed a whole lot of comic books, so I'm behind on my listing. So that's why the other day I listed all those all those game systems, and now I gotta list all those Guitar Heroes. And I bought a whole lot of Guitar Hero games to go with them, so they sell a little faster. I got a PS2 I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna put a big bundle. I'm gonna put drums, the game, and the guitar with 2 guitars with it. And I'm trying to get rid of all this big stuff because I'm gonna start selling magazines. You should see these magazines I done sold for $50. So I'm gonna try to sell media stuff. But I'm never gonna turn down no money though. So don't get me wrong. But I like selling media stuff because the shipping is cheaper and it's easy to pack, and I just like selling it. I just sold a couple of albums, LP albums last week. West Side Story, Johnny Mathis, you know, easy to pack, just like I pack my comic books. I packed them just like that. So, I don't know, y'all. But I'm still gonna sell what you know, anything to make me some money, but I think I'm just gonna concentrate on stuff like that. I got a whole lot of buttons I need to go through, they sell. I done sold a whole lot of Pyrex. Now that costs money to mail. And I done had some break already and I had to get refunds. So once I finish the Pyrex and the Pyrex and the Corningware that I got, I might not sell that no more. Unless I'm selling cups, you know, coffee cups, mugs, and stuff like that. They easy to pack and they're not easy to break. But that older Corningware, I don't know how you can cook in it. I don't know how you can cook in it and they get the temperature up to 400 degrees, 450 and stuff like that. They don't never break, but you can bump it and it'll chip off. I don't understand that. Anyway, y'all, we're finna go out this cave. Hold on. I don't want to hit this wall. So we go to exit sunlight, y'all. Woo! Sunlight. I felt like a damn vampire down here. Ooh, there go the sun. Ooh, there goes the sun. Ooh, we finna get the heck out of here. Well, thanks for riding with me, y'all, through this cave. And I got a What's Sold video getting ready to come out. I got another rant video that I just loaded today. And yeah, I got a couple, you know, I haven't made no videos in about a week, but I got a couple that I'm getting ready to load. I got a Freaky Friday that I haven't loaded, and I'm gonna start doing another thing too. I'm just gonna start, you know, instead of Freaky Friday, I'm gonna have Freaky 5 month, Freaky 10 month, or whatever. But I'm gonna give the top 10 things that I sold in a month. The top 10 things, instead of doing it every Friday. So you guys look out for that. And thanks for riding along with me. This is Kevin from St. Louis. I've been selling on eBay since 2002. I've been picking forever. Swamp meets. I go to swamp meets. I go to yard sales. I go to estate sales. I go anywhere to make some money. Goodwill, Salvation Army. I pick up soda bottles, aluminum cans, anything to make some money. That's what I do. Anyway, y'all, it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pickin' the hood too. Yeah. Hey.